Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can use your laptop as an external monitor with the Sony ZV E10. So let's begin the video. For this you are going to need the following things. First of all, your Sony ZV E10. Secondly, a cable to connect your ZV E10 with your laptop or MacBook. Here I have a Type C to Type A cable. If you are connecting with a MacBook, you are going to need a Type C to Type C cable, and make sure this is a high quality cable, because if you are going to use a poor quality cable, then the camera will not connect with your laptop. And lastly, your Windows or MacBook. Here I have a Windows machine, but the process is same for MacBook users as well. Before we go to our laptop, there are some settings you need to do on your Sony ZV E10. So we're going to power on the camera. Once the camera is powered on, click on the menu button. From here we're going to go to chapter 3 or the network page, and from here in page 1 you will see the option smartphone connect. Just select it, it should be on, so we're going to disable this option. This is very important, else it will not work. Click on menu, go to PC remote function. If it is off, just select it and enable this option, and you can see it says cannot recognize the USB cable because we haven't connected our camera to our laptop. So once you have successfully connected it, the message will change. I will show the picture right here. Anyways, after these two settings, just click on menu and menu again. Now on the left side, open the lid. Here you will see 3 ports. The top one is the USB Type C port, which we are going to use. So one end of the cable will be connected to this port, and the other end will be connected to our laptop. Now let's move towards our laptop and let me show you how you can use it as an external monitor. Now on your machine you are going to open any browser and you are going to open this website. Website link will be in the video description, and you are going to download Imaging Edge Desktop. This software is officially provided by Sony. So if you are on Mac, click on Mac, but since I am on Windows, I am going to download for Windows. Once the setup has been downloaded, right click on it and run it as an administrator. Next, 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 and install. Click on finish and we can delete the setup. So in order to use your laptop screen as a monitor with the Sony ZV E10, we need this remote application. So click on download, save. Now it will start the download process, and I think the setup size is around 400 to 500 MB, and the download speed will depend on your internet speed. So let's wait. Once the setup has been downloaded, run it, next, next, again, and install, finish, agree and proceed, confirm. So they have like a lot of agreements, so you should read them. Okay, it's going to open the viewer. We can just simply select your graphic card if you want. We're going to close that, and here on the desktop you're going to see these multiple things. First of all, let me remove the setup. We are only interested in the remote application, the other are of no interest, but anyways you're going to open the remote application. Now by default it will show you your camera, which is the Sony ZV E10. As you can see, I have connected the USB cable to my camera and it is powered on. If it is not showing here, make sure you have the correct cable, like it is not of low quality, and you can also change the port by using a different port on your laptop or powering on or off your ZV E10. Once it is shown, double tap on it and it's going to try to connect with your Sony ZV E10. And here you can see what you are seeing is this actual footage from the ZV E10. So here I have the Sony ZV E10, and here you can see me on the laptop. So we are using our laptop as an external monitor for the Sony ZV E10. Obviously you also have these different controls like start recording, stop recording, etc. So this is how you can do it. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.